Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change stadium name using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So you can change your stadium name in this game instantly. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how this game it works, how you can change your tactic, how you can build up your team like this, tap the tactics, and how you can manage the club and its finance. And also you can get this game for free if you are make a subscription into Netflix apps. And let's get started. I want to show you how you can change the stadium name using in-game editor. Make sure your in-game editor is active, like tap in setting, tap view, and tap the unlockables. This one, in-game editor is active. And let's get back to the main page. Tap the first theme and tap the edit button here. This one, you can change your stadium name into tab facilities first. Sorry, this one, stadium. The default is Old Trafford because I'm using Manchester United as my club. So you can change the name here. Please set a name for new stadium as you wish and tap to confirm. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.